Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to download, install, and configure Flask, MySQL Server, and Apache 2 web server on an Ubuntu environment while using VS Code Remote SSH for connection and management. First, go to our VirtualBox, click, and then start our Ubuntu server. Wait lang. And ayan. After nun guys, is lalog in nyo yung account nyo. Yan. Enter your password. After nun guys, type sudo systemctl enable SSH. Then ayun, enter your password ulit. Ayan, scroll down lang natin. Then type sudo systemctl start SSH. Then, ayan, after mo mag-enter, type sudo systemctl status SSH. Enter. And ayan, lalabas yan. And then, after nyan is, type mo is ifconfig enter. So ayan, pagka enter mo may lalabas na ganyan, and then punta tayo ng Visual Studio. Dito type nyo is remote SSH and then install nyo to. And ayan, dahil naka-install na tayo, proceed na tayo sa next step, which is magta-type tayo ng add new. And then, ayan, pindutin nyo yan. And dito, guys, ita-type nyo yung server nyo dito. Yung inet natin dun sa kanina natin sa terminal. And, ayan. 127.0.0.1 and ayan, enter, then pindutin nyo to. And ayan, kung makikita nyo dito sa gilid, and ayan. So dito guys, i-click nyo yung Linux. Ayan. And then, ayan, nasaan na tayo. And then, pupunta tayo sa terminal. Ayan. So, dito guys, i-update na natin yung package list natin. And install Python 3, pip, BenB, Apache, and WSGI. So, first, update muna natin. Lagay natin yung sudo apt update. Then, ayan. Enter your password ulit. And ayan, lalabas yung marami na yan. And then yung pag-install ng mga yon nabanggit ko. So guys, after natin ma-install, we will create a folder for our app inside the /bar /www and change ownership to your server, to our server user. So ayan, type lang natin to and then enter natin yung password, then boosh. Ayan, enter, ano natin ulit yan. Then guys, after natin ma-create yun, i-project natin yung folder. I mean, pupunta na tayo sa project folder natin and set up a virtual environment by typing the cd /bar /www /flash app. And then, ayan din yung tatlong yan kung makikita nyo. And then yan, goods na. So, dito guys, kaka-paste lang natin ito. Ayan. Then, isa-save lang natin siya. And exit. Then, after nun guys, type lang natin to, ayan, so ayan, kinapi-paste lang din natin yan, and then ta-type din natin yon. So ayan, bago natin ma-configure yung Apache, test muna natin yung Flash app by simply typing the flash run host, and then after nun, meron siyang bibigay na link, which is eto guys, yung HTTP, and dapat may makita tayo ng hello world. And then, ayan. Open lang natin to guys. And then, tada! May hello world na tayo. So, ayan. After nun guys, tap na natin yung server by pressing the Control C. Ayan. So dito guys, i-configure na natin yung Apache. Ayan. Kinapi-paste lang natin yun. And then, ayan, copy-paste ulit. Save and exit. And then dito guys, enable na natin yung site and restart the Apache. So ayan, nirun natin yung tatlo kanina. And then ayan, tetest na natin siya sa browser natin. And then ayan, tapos na guys. May hello world na tayo. So, ayun. Thank you guys for watching.